can never sleep in traffic. Cause living steady panic. I know cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits. Just like gadgets. You tell me with the 2 hands I'm too bad. Wonder what your things are like. Need me to get your bills paid. That's what you say. Well, guess I'm just too fake for that. So sit down.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm revealing this hair from Morefacewig. It came in this gorgeous pack you're seeing here. That's the wig. Yeah, it is coily. Wow, it came with these goodies. You can see it's 26 inches and is water wave. Look at the hairline, look at how gorgeous it is. Guys, the most important thing for me, if the hair comes pluck the hairline, I am in for it. This wig is so bomb. Just look at the coils. So guys, this is how it was packaged. I have to remove the net and everything. Then that is the wig, you can see, and the hair is bomb.com. Look at the hairline, just look at that. And the hair is a pre-cut lace wig. Okay, the coils are so gorgeous. Look at the inside. That's the inside of the wig. Came with adjustable strap, just one. You can see you can adjust it to the size of your head. Okay, and that is the wig. I love this hair, guys. There was nothing like more shady from this hair. You guys know that coily hair shed. Look at that hairline. Ooh, kudos. Just look at it. It is flawless. If you don't know how to pluck hair, you are like me, that is difficult for you, this wig is for you, because that hairline is slay. That hairline is everything. It came center part. Okay, you can see center part. You can put the part wherever you like. Sorry, you can put it wherever you like. Put it by the side. You can do C part like mine. I did C part. You guys are going to see. Okay, I'm just admiring myself with the wig because the hair is so stunning. I'm so happy. Yeah, because the hairline, oh, is giving me life. Just look at that. It is giving me life. Just look at it, look at it. This is so beautiful. Well done. It is well plucked. Okay, I can't do more than this. You understand? So because I love center part, I said why not just change, because all the hair I do is center. Why not just change a little? So I just decided to, like, okay, let me go for C part. So that is what I want to do. Because you can leave yours in center if you like. You can do side, you can do C part, you can create whatever part you like. So this time around I'm going for a C part. Yeah.
I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky, no little Bali.
So guys, that is it. That is the part I created. You can see its part is perfect. Okay, I know we are just learning. Okay, so I use my wax stick to take the flying hairs backward. Yeah, these flying hairs, you give me chance. Okay, before I go on with the wig. And by the way, guys, just in case if you're interested in getting this wig, all information will be on the description box, so check that out.
Don't little by little, I pour out my heart. Little by little, here. I'm gonna go every.
You guys know how we do it. You know how we rock it. I'm not a professional, like I always say. I install my wigs the ways that pleases me, the way that makes me happy, as quick, fast as whatever I can do. that is how I install my wig, because I'm not a professional, but we can take it out, okay? So long the wig is laid, is well laid, no problem, no problem. You can do what pleases you. And moreover, this wig is glueless.
Be all I can be, let me be all I can be. My I pour out my heart.
With glueless wig, you don't have any problem. So guys, I used a bronzer of my skin tone just to open my parts to make it pronounced. You can use any one that blends with your skin type, okay? Or you can even use foundation, or you can as well bleach the knots if you want, because I don't have that time, okay? Because it's glueless, I just want to pop it on. I am good to go, so I don't have that time, but you can bleach the knots if you like. So that is it.
Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly like damn, I'll shine again. I'll be free, be all I can be.
So now the wig is laid. You can see this is it dry. It's water wave. You guys remember it's water wave, but here I've not added water. I just leave it big like this, and I'm looking stunning. Look at the back. The hair is bouncing. The coils is everything. If you like coily hair, you're going to love this one, because the hair is so soft. When I mean soft, it is soft. And one thing I like, you can carry it big like this, like afro. You can just leave it dry. Just look at the hairline, it's laid. It's as if I glued it down. But you guys know the secret, it is glueless. Yes.
She just one of a kind, out of mind. She's a
So guys, now it's time to add water to the hair. That is just ordinary water. It's ordinary water in that can. I just added it to the hair, and see how the coils are bouncing out. Just look at those coils. Look at those coils. Look at how it bounced out. I did not add cream, just ordinary water, because it's called wet and wave. Okay, it's wet and wave, or water wave, okay? So I just added water, and you will see how gorgeous the hair looks. So that is it, gorgeous. I will leave you guys now. Please, before you go, if you like it here, why not subscribe? Hit on that subscribe button. Look at the hair, it's tangle free. You can see as I'm combing it, the hair is so soft. Just look at those coils. Look at those coils. Look at how gorgeous they are. So as I was saying, if you like it here, gorgeous, why not click on that subscribe button and that bell icon? Thank you so much for doing that. And don't forget, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. Look at how flawless the hair is. The hairline is everything. You don't even know that it's not glued down. It is glueless, and it looks marvelous. It looks fab. Okay, I will see you guys in my next one. Don't hesitate to check the description box in case if you are interested, or info will be there. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
She's a part of me. I don't wanna let go. She's a part of me. I don't wanna let go. No, she's a part of me. I don't wanna let go. She's a part of me. I don't wanna let go. No, she's a part of me. I don't wanna let go.
Show me love. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love.
This is all we
got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. know you'll make mistakes.